Welcome friends to the second session of dimensional constraint. Now we are left with three different options. They are show, hide. If I select the first option, if I want to hide a particular dimensional constraint, I can select that. Now let us select this particular dimensional constraint. It is asking for the selection. I have selected. It is giving options show, hide. I will hide this. If I press H, then enter, then I can hide this particular thing. In order to once again show this, I can go to show all. So these constraints are visible. So there is something known as hide all. If I use this command, I can hide all the dimensional constraints which are available in the monitor. Then one more option is available here, that is constraint setting. If you go to constraint setting, before that I will just show all the constraints, dimensional constraints. You go to constraint settings, and there are three different options here: name, value, and name and expression. If you say name, then only these kinds of parameters are going to be displayed, like d1, d2, d3, angle 1, dia 1, and radius 1. If I change this to value, only the value would be displayed, like 100, 100, 111.35, 58 degrees, 80 diameter, 52.53 radius. If I go to third option, that is combination of name and expression, I can able to see like this, that is d1 is equal to 100, d2 is equal to 100, d3 is equal to 111.35, angle 1 is equal to 58 degree, dia 1 is equal to 80 units, 80 mm or 80 units, radius 1 is equal to 52.53 units. That's all for today. Do subscribe to my videos. Keep watching. Thank you.